Hey everybody, Alyssa here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I have the pleasure of showing you our brand new Boston Whaler 380 Outrage powered by twin 600 V12s, the workhorses. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so now that we're inside, I'm going to point out a few of the major features that make the 380 Outrage a fantastic offshore fishing boat, but also really great for entertaining. So starting on the back of the boat, we've got a dual live well. You can actually have two different types of bait fish in here if you want to. Really nice. You have two ways to enter the boat. You've got an aft entry right here, and then you've also got a dive door on the other side. Going down to the floor, you've got fish boxes on both sides as well as access to your bilge. One of the best things about Whaler is their ease of access into everything that you would need to access on the boat. Back here we've got a really nice wide, you could really put 3 people back here if you want to, but it's very comfortable for 2 seat that does fold down and form a nice prep area. Teak, cup holders, make your drinks, prep your bait, whatever you want to do there. Coming around the side, you'll notice that we have bolsters all the way around as well as a fold-out bench. You've got your trolling seats here on both sides, but this is where she shines. We've got twin screen Simrads, all of your vessel controls here as well as your joystick piloting. You've got a hidden sound system, so you just have your JL audio knob there. You don't need to have the entire screen visible anymore. It's all done from behind. Bluetooth, you got your trim tabs. And then a really cool feature is this fold down step right here. If you want to be a little bit higher, that gives you about 6 inches of elevation. When you're driving, you've got your weather curtain, little containment system there, as well as your ambient lights. We'll move all the way forward. Again, like I said, you've got your bolsters going all the way around, excellent for fishing, but also really good if you've got kids or you've got people on the boat that are going to maybe be moving around and you want them to have the comfort when they're walking, they don't slam their hips. You've got full cushions up here. These can all be removed to make it more of a fishing experience if you'd like. You've got a bow filler as well as a monster lounge. Now this does open up here to give you access to a really big storage area, which is super nice. Fully gasketed, so it's nice and dry. Coming around, rod holders all on the rail, pop-up cleats. Take a peek down here into your convertible V-berth. This can be made into a bed or it can be made into a dining area, however you want to have it set up. You've also got your rod holders down there and you've got an all-in-one bathroom. Thank you for coming on this walkthrough with me to view the 380 Outrage from Boston Whaler. I hope you learned some things about it that you maybe didn't know and you want to come check it out in person at the Clearwater showroom. This is Alyssa and we'll see you out on the water.